Sniffles makes inventions.
I've finished the Robo Scarecrow. Let's take it for a spin.
Look out, Robot Scarecrow. Here comes Knee-Huggin' Olive. And Sheila Gray Shirt. And even Olga Bataki. Yes. Scarecrow passed the tumbling girls.
I have invented the Peachy Teacher 3000. That's Robot Scarecrow's girlfriend.
Sniffles, you're the inventor. Vaco, meet Sniffles, the inventor of Ocracoke Island.
Hey, Sniffles. What did you invent?
I have invented these two inventions. One is PT Teacher, and one is the Robot Scarecrow. And then they hug each other. Then they would like to go on a walk.
That sounded like you're busy inventing these robots. Come on, let's go have dinner. Boots, Sniffles, come along. Boots, it's time for you to take a bath.
No way. I am not taking no baths, rat face.
Will you stop calling me rat face? You have to take a bath. You got to be cleaned. And brush your teeth and get ready for bed. Sniffles, I think you should take a break from inventing robots. It's time for you to head on to the beach. Vaco, Boots, come along. And you, Pop.
Treelo, Vaco, you got to be nice to Boots. He's just a monkey wearing red boots.
We promise, Pop. Besides, those girls are looking at us. Willa and Phoebe. And even Olga and the knee-hugging girls.
Olga, Sheila, and Olive. Hugging their legs.
Do not say that, Vaco. You might end up in a boulder of knee-hugging, tumbling, rolling girls. I've told you, you might end up in a boulder of tumbling, knee-hugging, rolling girls. Boots, look out. Boots, you're safe. You did not get ran over by a tumbling, rolling, knee-hugging girls. And your tail is not even hurt. Your tail looks good.
Thank you for saving me, Treelo, Vaco. And now, let's go play in the sand.